Easter yesterday was a jolly time, but what's more jolly is tech news. Hello everyone and welcome to Newstown Mini. I'm your host Harris and today we got some juicy news. Let's get started. Speaking of jolly, oh yeah, the upcoming Nvidia GeForce RTX 4070 GPU Founders Edition just got leaked and it looks good. As we know, the release of Nvidia's next mid-range GPU, the RTX 4070, is very close, and now we finally got images thanks to video cards. So yeah, these leaked images right here of the RTX 4070 Founders Edition looks pretty good. I mean, it looks like your typical Founders. The board itself looks compact and will probably fit into most cases, unlike its bigger brothers RTX 4090. But anyway, the card is a dual-wide design with two fans, which reportedly have one 16-pin power connector, and therefore it's outright compatible with most latest builds. However, if you don't have it, Nvidia might include an adapter, but take that with a grain of sand. One interesting point though is that Nvidia is using the 16-pin connector, which most other custom cards use the more standard 8-pin. For the graphic cards itself, it features a V-shaped PCB and it's actually quite small, so hopefully that will mean a relatively low power consumption. The speculated TDP is around 250 watts, so this will probably fit many existing builds. Not only that, users could attach up to 4 displays through one HDMI 2.1 or 3 DP 1.4. Sadly, the card itself is expected to be priced around $600. Honestly, GPU prices are just insane now, so I'll assume that's a good price. Okay, enough hunting X. We need to hunt bonus news instead. Well, we got one and it's about Twitter. Yeah, it seems like the drama between Substack and Twitter is starting to end, as Substack said that Twitter is no longer throttling links to newsletters using the Substack service. Weirdly though, searching for Substack will still result in a search for a newsletter. I don't get it, man. Anyway, Twitter is definitely one of a place to go if you like drama and pain. And now the suppression of Substack publications on Twitter appears to be over, and hopefully they both can coexist and complement each other, said Substack. As we know, Elon loves to make interesting decisions over on the Bird app, and recently after Substack announced that they're launching a new feature called Notes, Elon went ham. He responded by blocking the ability to like or retweet any post containing the word Substack, throwing up a warning message if users click on Substack links, and finally blocking even the word Substack from being searched, as I mentioned earlier. At least it's now fixed. And yeah, Substack users just hated this change and they're leaving Twitter now for Substack Notes, a feature that's similar to Twitter itself. Ironic. Now, as you can see, Elon responded to this with a couple of claims, and then the CEO of Substack itself, Chris Bass, also responded back to Elon. So yeah, this is just a big drama. You can find out more details on the source link below the like button. If you like this type of stuff, you're gonna have a great time. But that's all I got. Sorry. But you can come back on Monday for more juicy tech news like this one, and subscribe so you won't miss it. Cool? See ya.